In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly find your license number in QuickBooks. It's an essential piece of information, particularly when dealing with customer support or managing your account. But here's a little twist. QuickBooks Online actually uses something called a company ID as the key identifier instead of a traditional license number. Now let's jump right in. First off, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to QuickBooks Online. Once you're on their homepage, start by logging into your QuickBooks account. If you're like most users, you might have multiple accounts, so make sure you're logging into the correct one. After you've successfully logged in, take a look at the top right corner of your page. You should see your account profile up there. Go ahead and click on it. This will pull up a drop-down menu with various options related to your account settings and preferences. Now that you have the drop-down menu open, the next step is to click on the option that says Manage Your Intuit Account. This is going to take you to a different page where you can manage everything related to your account, from personal information to billing details. Once you're in the Intuit Account Management page, look for the Products and Billing section and click on it. This section houses all the details about your subscriptions, billing information, and of course the company ID we're searching for. Within the Products and Billing section, you should see the name of your business or businesses displayed. Go ahead and click on the specific business name you're working with. It's an important step because if you have more than one business, each will have its own company ID. And here we are. Once you click on your business name, look towards the top of the page. Your company ID will be displayed right there. This company ID acts as your subscriptions identifier and is essentially what you would use in place of a license number when working in QuickBooks Online. It's incredibly handy to keep this ID noted somewhere safe, especially when you have to contact QuickBooks support or need it for troubleshooting or admin purposes. It may seem like a simple piece of information, but knowing exactly where to find it can save you a lot of time and hassle. So there you have it, guys. In just a few easy steps, you've learned how to locate your company ID, which serves as the key for your QuickBooks subscription. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes navigating your QuickBooks Online account a bit easier. Thanks for watching and happy bookkeeping.